These are sole insole adjustable heel lifts. They're most often used to help people with leg length discrepancies. They may have had this discrepancy since birth, but also sometimes people go in for hip surgeries or knee surgeries and they come out with one leg that's slightly shorter than the other. It can be very painful, and by using a heel lift under the heel and lifting that height up, you even the body out and you can help the ankles, the knees, the hips, and the back feel much more comfortable. Our heel lifts are each 1/8 inch thick. They're adhesive on the bottom, and so they can be stacked on top of each other to the height that's desired. You can add 2 together to get 1/4 inch, 3 together to get 3/8 inch, and 4 together to get 1/2 an inch. The reason that there are 2 that are shorter than the other 2 is so that when you stack them all the way up to 1/2 an inch, it will have a more gradual feel and it won't have a big lip at the end. Because they're adhesive, they will adhere very strongly to a pair of sandals or also shoes, but you can just peel them off. It won't leave any sticky residue, and you can move it from one shoe to another. If they get dirty, then you can wash them off under water, let them air dry, and when they're dry, the adhesive renews. When somebody has a whole inch leg length discrepancy, that doesn't mean that you want to stack the heel lifts up to an entire inch. The body compensates for the discrepancy. It'll stretch the ligaments and the tendons. So most of the time, you only want to stack a heel lift up to 1/2 of the difference of the leg length discrepancy. So for an inch, you would only want to stack to 1/2 an inch with the heel lifts. For 1/2 an inch, you would only want 1/4 inch stacking on the heel lifts. You don't want to throw the body off to the other direction by stacking the heel lifts too high. The heel lifts are the same for the left and the right shoe, so you can place it in whichever shoe needs the lift. If your shoes have a removable liner, you can pull the liner out, stick the heel lifts inside, and then replace the liner. This will help keep the heel lifts in place more securely, and it'll also give a more gradual feeling within the shoes. Another occasion in which you might want to use heel lifts is for cushioning, or you can use it when people are having an Achilles pain like Achilles tendonitis. When the Achilles is overstretched, it can re-tear again and again. So by putting heel lifts in both shoes and lifting the heel, you are shortening the Achilles tendon and giving it a chance to heal. If you have any questions about our heel lifts or any of our other products, please feel free to reach out to us. We're always happy to help.